Why should you buy my book? That's the $1,000,000 question. And to explain that, I've got a bottle of beetroot juice. Not just any beetroot juice, but this is a specially formulated beetroot shot for sport. And it was one of the ideas and one of the concepts I had for the book. And it was all got me thinking about data analysis. I mean, how exciting is that? Data analysis, beetroot juice, how do they go together? Well, it's really quite simple. I'm a really keen triathlete. So who doesn't like swimming in a cold river or a cold lake? Well, I love it. But I discovered something. I saw this scientific study. A sports nutritionist had gone off and studied beetroot juice consumption and how it improved sport. I mean, wow, this is great news. I don't need to do any more cycling, running, swimming. I can just drink this magic elixir and I will go faster. The general concept is that it increases the number of nitrates in your blood and it improves blood oxygenation. One of the few foods to actually show a sporting advantage. So off I went to the supermarket and I bought these bottles of beetroot juice. The study told me that I needed to drink half a litre 12 hours before racing and then another half a litre 2 hours before racing. Big problem. I didn't have a taste for it. I gipped and I writhed and it was just awful. It's like thick. It was almost like drinking blood. It was, it was just a horrendous experience. I said to a friend of mine, do you do this beetroot drinking thing? I can't go on. It's got to stop. I've formed a beetroot drinking habit. And she says to me, Justin, do you not know there's a company that produces a special beetroot sport shot? And it's equivalent to drinking half a litre. They even put stuff in it to make it taste better as well. I think it's some lemon juice. But it got me thinking about data. Someone had gone off and decided to create a study. They had a control group. They had the group who were consuming the beetroot juice, and they were measuring and they were collecting data, and they were trying to find out whether there was a sporting advantage. They even took into account during that study the improvement in fitness across the groups. So because they were exercising anyway, they had to consider that as well. But it started me thinking about, hang on a minute, data analysis and data collection and studying things in our own businesses are really, really important. And I went off trying to think more about data, and it's why I've included a whole chapter about my journey of drinking beetroot juice in my book. And it's when you actually look, there's all sorts of data in business. How many clients have we got? How many clients are we winning per week? What's the retention rate if you had a factory? What's the defect rate on your product? It's all data, and it's all there waiting to be analysed to make your business better. A bit like me as a triathlete, wanting to become better, but go faster, and I found beetroot juice. You can find the same data in your own business. Give my book a read. Go to thescienceofbusiness.co.uk and pre-order your signed copy today. I hope you've really enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye.